Hello, I'm in Budapest, Hungary, and I found an amazing Airbnb right in the center of everything. This place, oh, I'm talking to the camera. Damn it, Wes!
Interrupting me.
So that's my friend Wes. I just like to do things at spur of the moment. Wes, my friend from California, he came with me. We're kind of like college buddies, but it was like after college time from Pensacola, Florida. So he came to Hungary with me, and then we're gonna go check out Slovakia and Austria. But our first stop was Budapest, and we booked the Airbnb in a really central, like perfect location. First of all, this Airbnb is super nice, and the owner did such a great job with decorating it and providing all these things, which I'm gonna show in a second, but the view out here is pretty cool. That's the main square, and our tours, the meeting spot was right in front of our apartment. And there's an awesome, the metro station is right in front of us too. So you can take the metro, and down the road over there, you'll see the river. I think it's pronounced Danube, but I might be saying that wrong. So I'll correct myself in the video if that's the case. So yeah, there's lots of shopping, there's restaurants, bars, really like everything that you need right here. But I'm gonna show you around the apartment because it's actually very, very spacious. I didn't expect it to be like this large here. But here is this nicely decorated bookshelf. Oh, and she has a Rubik's Cube here because I don't know if you knew, but the inventor of the Rubik's Cube was from Hungary. So that's why it's like a big deal to have a Rubik's Cube in here, I think. And then I just thought it was like a cool, retro decoration because she has like really interesting decorations everywhere. And she just did such a nice job putting this whole place together. She has like some cookbooks, some Hungarian cookbooks, things on Budapest, a cool vintage typewriter. I kind of have like the same thing. TV, which had Netflix on it, and there's cable. They had some English channels too, so you can watch American TV if you need it. Some more cute decorations, some wine glasses if you want to have champagne or cocktails. There's some chess you could play. And there's 2 couches, and one of them turns into the sofa bed, which Wes slept in. So this is the kitchen. It's really cute red chairs. She provided some fresh fruits. She also provided some bread. And in the fridge, we ate a lot of this stuff already, but it was actually filled. There was like a water bottle. Actually, those are like beers we didn't drink. Look how nice these creamers are laid out. Some cheese and charcuterie. I don't know what that is. It's like pepperoni type of thing. Tomatoes and this cute little egg home, which we took advantage of. She also provided some Nespresso and even like a card that explains what each flavor is. We definitely took advantage of that. Some teas. A nice kitchen. The sink was kind of little, but hey, at least we have a kitchen. There's a stove and all the utensils that you can think of. And it's really cool like how it lights up when you open the drawers. Very like modern here. And an oven, which we didn't use. All right. Oh, I forgot to mention this cool vintage fridge. Just love her style. Oh, and there's like all these messages that people write, to thank the host for their time here. All positive, of course, because it's amazing here. So this is the entryway. We have like a little door if somebody knocks. Hello. Some more decorations, some tourist information if you need it. And slippers. Oh, and she also provided umbrellas, which she actually used this morning because it was raining. Again, very thoughtful. And here is the bathroom. I don't need a fit. So very nice sink. It was nice and large. There's the shower in here. So you have like two different types of shower heads, a handheld and like one of those rain showers. And this I thought was so cute, where she provided all these little toiletries. It's almost like staying in a hotel. And this is vegetable soap. So it's like really good stuff. And then down the hallway, there is a little sitting area. This is a closet full of various things like extra blankets, pillows. I believe that's an air mattress up there too, if there was like another person staying with us. And this little place is the washer and dryer. So Wes did try to use the washer and dryer. He used the washer successfully because everything's in Hungarian. So we had to like figure out what it meant, but the washer worked fine, but he had a little bit of a trouble figuring out the dryer. It wouldn't dry all the way. I don't know, I'm pretty sure we're like reading directions wrong, but just something to think about if you're gonna use a dryer in these Airbnbs in Eastern Europe. They might work differently. I'm not 100% sure, but just to let you know. And so this is the bedroom. It's very spacious again. I like that she has this area here to lay my suitcase. The bed was very nice and comfortable. There's also plenty of outlets everywhere here. She has two there. And then I just noticed, which I didn't even use this because she has so many outlets. She even has like an extension cord where there's like extra plugs here. And more storage space if you need it. More outlets over there, outlets over here. And then she has this nice coat rack, which we've used. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, really great place to stay in Budapest, Hungary. It's like everything that we needed, a perfect location. I couldn't ask for more because it was really probably like one of the best Airbnbs I've stayed at. Maybe like the top Airbnb I've stayed at, just because she was so thoughtful in providing everything and the location was great. The sleeping situation was awesome. The food that she provided was very nice and we actually ate. And yeah, I just couldn't be happier staying here. So if you're looking for a place in Budapest to stay, you have to stay here.